how to turn on 3D mode in Google Maps. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Google Maps application on your device, and here tap on the square-like icon you see there under the preferences. Here you will then see the option for 3D, so go ahead and tap on the 3D option you see there, and with this 3D mode on your Google Map will be enabled. So this was about how you can turn on 3D mode in Google Maps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.